Hey everyone, I just got this in right now and I really wanted to do an unboxing, so everyone's in their room right now, so I'm like, hurry up, do it. This is from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, and this is the subscription for April. She's running late on this one because of the supplier, so oh, look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it's finally girl. Finally here, hey girl. Cool. Okay, I like that. Okay, so let's see what we get this month. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that it's good. Let's see. I really wanted to open it though, so, okay. Let's see. Okay. So we have little glitter pieces, and they're in the little tubes. So it looks like chunky glitter. Yeah, it looks like chunky glitter. That's cute. Pretty colors. Ooh, another one. So we get six chunky glitters. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. And then, ooh, more eyelets. Okay, I've been liking eyelets, so that's cool that we're getting some. That's where you can hang your dangles, and these are heart ones. Love that. Oh, look at these. Are these umbrellas? These are umbrellas, I think. Oh my goodness. I love the pastel. I love pastel. I love brights and pastel more than neutrals. So this is awesome. Look at how cute those are. I've been really into dangles and all that fun 3D stuff. And so these are like perfect. Oh, look how cute they are, you guys. Those are super cute. Let me see if I can turn them this way. Super, super cute. Love. Oh, and you get a purple one. Oh, and you get a white one. So let me just try and take them all out. So you get a white, you get two of each. Super cute. Love that. Love, love. Oh, and we get rings. So these are jump rings. Fun. These are thin. These are, oh, they're the split rings. So they're the, I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but they're the split rings. But they're lightweight. So those would be fun. I haven't used split rings yet. Oh, look at these lobster clasps. These, I don't have these, I don't think. That's awesome. I like how I'm into the dangles right now and the beads and all that stuff. If you just saw my last room tour, I changed my whole nook, my second craft room, into the bead room. And this is like perfect. This is so perfect. I have friends wanting me to make them scissor holders and all that stuff, and I'm like, okay. Oh, look at, we get, oh, I wanted this so bad too. If I could afford it, I would order from AliExpress every day. So this actually, getting this once a month is actually really cool. So we get chain. I've been wanting chain for so long, you guys, because it reminds me of the 80s. And remember when we had those friendship bracelets or the necklaces and we put all the charms on them? These are really thin, so you don't want to hang them off of something really that's going to be used a lot, I don't think. I mean, they could hold. I don't want to pull too hard, but they're plastic, so they're not metal. So I'm not sure how strong and durable they are. I'll have to look. I'll have to research and see what we can hang off of them. But aren't those beautiful? They're beautiful colors. Love that. I love the color palette that she chooses. Oh, we have little, I'm trying to learn the cabochons. So we have little cabochons. Oh, look how, they're the half flat backs, I believe is what they're called. See, I used all this stuff for my card making and all that stuff, so this is a whole new world for me with the whole 3D projects and bead dangles and all that stuff. So this is really just an eye-opener for me. This is one of the dangles I made, and I'm loving it because you can use it anywhere. It's just so cool. I love it. So I'm really into that. I've committed myself to making sure that that I have fun and play with everything. I love rainbows. See, and you can make these into charms by putting the bails on the back. Learning all the new jewelry lingo is pretty fun too. They're glittery too. Oh, they have the little glitter comes off. It's cute. So that's little rainbows. Oh my gosh, look how, oh, I just saw something that's, oh my gosh. Okay, this kit is $48.50, I believe. Oh, worth it. Right now, I'm loving it. She's doing really well with giving us great variety, a lot of product, which I appreciate. Look at how cute those are. That is my favorite. These are amazing. I love this. So right now, I'm happy. Right now, I'm going to keep going. I think it's totally worth the little less than 50 bucks. Yeah. I would say between Spellbinders and this kit right now, I'm keeping for a while. So, I love the charms. Look at the little ice cream cones. Super cute. And you get 5 of them. The one I just saw that I'm like drooling over, I'm like, okay, I'm going to keep it till last. Because it's, I'm like, oh my gosh. I wanted it so bad. What is this? Oh, how cute is that? They look like little film strips, but I wonder if you can put stuff into them. Oh, I think, okay. I'm going to have to research. But it almost reminds me of the candy packages. The little candy, you know, like when you put, like sweet treats and stuff. I'm going to have to, yeah, see exactly what this is. But she has her website that you can look and see. I don't know. I don't have any nails. Oh, okay. So it goes open. Oh, so it's like a little pocket. I wonder if you can, oh, they come apart. Okay, so it's a little pocket, and it looks like you have a hole like where you can put a dangle. I don't think, do both sides open? I don't think both sides open. Let's look, you guys, that way we see this together, because that way we're aware, because I know some of my followers don't look at other unboxings. Okay, so it doesn't look like it goes through, so yeah, it's like a little pocket, and then you put a little dangle right there. That's what I'm thinking. Super cute. Love it. Okay, that's awesome. You get 6 of those. That's fun. That'll be fun to play with. I don't want to lose that in the packages. That would be totally fun to play with. So far, I am excited. I love it. So, I just have a lot of sugar right now, so. I am sure, and only 1 cup of coffee. I need more coffee. So, we got little cupcakes. Teal and pink. Let's see. Teal and pink. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And these bags are resealable. So you don't have to pull off the corners like that. You can just open them this way, which is awesome because this is great to add stuff to them. So yeah, don't throw those away, and don't rip these open. Don't rip them open, because then that ruins them. So just open them normal. These are little crimps. I have not done these yet, but if you watch Craft Purge or Scrap Diva 29, she does ribbon. You put ribbon in that and you crimp them. And I haven't tried that yet, but I'm going to, because that is super cute. So we get a little crimp, and I like how they're embossed. They have little embossing on them. I like that. So they have texture, which is good. What are these? Oh, I love all the charms we're getting. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these are. Oh, hot air balloons. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? I knew I wanted to open this one right away. Oh my gosh. 3 of each. Those are super cute. Man, you guys, okay, this is worth it. Let me open this one next. Because this is another crimper. But this is, the other one was silver. This one is gold. This one is the gold one. So, yep, cute. I like having variety. Okay, so I keep looking. Oh my gosh, 2 more. This one and 1 more. So yeah, pretty good, huh, guys? Ugh. Let's see, what are these? Oh, they look like little Dole Whips. These look like Dole Whips. Oh, how sweet are those? You get 5 of those. Let's see. Oh, those are so cute. These would be great on a Disney charm like that. Okay, I'm drooling. I'm totally drooling, you guys. This is awesome. Let me open it this way. You know how much I love bows. I have loved bows since I started PL. And look at what we get. I wanted these so bad. I don't have these. Oh my gosh, in heaven, you guys. Totally in love. Oh my goodness. Let me take off the extras. So you get 6 of 2. You get 2 of 6 color. Look at how cute those are. I love it so much. Look at the texture on them. They look like they're real. They're so beautiful. Let me pull them up this way. Don't they look gorgeous? They look like they're ruffled, and it's just, oh, drool. Yeah, these are amazing. You guys, I will say yes, this is a great kit to get. And if she keeps this up, I will forever stay with her, because this is awesome. Totally, totally awesome. Look at how much. I'm going to put everything in the middle. So you have all of this. A good variety, great colors for 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm okay. I love it. All right, let me do let me push this aside for now, and I am going to do 2 more unboxings while I'm in one video. So this is the Stamps of Life, and this is their die. Oh, you get another freebie. They like giving you freebies like every other month. It's really cool. Oh, it's a high, and it's a double. So you have a back, what are they called? Shadow? A shadow. So this is $25.95 or 20 less than, it's 25 and change, and it's a die set of the month, die and stamp set of the month, and you get the bird bath and the bird die. Oh, so cute, so cute. So you get both of those, and you get a freebie every once in a while for less than $26. So I like that. This one's the LaLa Land kit, and this one is like also 48 and change. But you get a stamp set and a die set. And which I like. I like how big they are. I haven't used them. I haven't used them at all. I keep collecting them, but I haven't used them because I just, you know, just there's not enough time in the day to craft, right? So, or to do all the different crafts that I love. So this is the stamp set right here, and it's a hamster and bunny theme with a bird and a tortoise and goldfish, koi. Is that koi or goldfish? And then look, like a Darla. You can make her into a Darla. If you know, if you're a Disney fan, you know what I mean. And this is the die set you get. Oh, you get a pet cage, a bird cage, and a fish tank. Oh, and look, the fish tank has all of the little coral and a sandcastle house. The bottom, super cute, and they're good size because this is my PL template, and this is a 3x4, and it's a little past a 4, and it's almost like a 3x4. See how big that is? That's pretty good size. And then you have this one they got their bark box in too, so they're all excited. So yeah, so good size dies. All right, guys, so that was 49 and change. All right, guys, talk to you in a little bit. Talk to you next month.